So in this getting started for free with AI tools specifically to use as an affiliate marketer, I want to jump straight through the BS. So I went to YouTube and I Googled or I typed in the search free AI for affiliate marketing. And this is the kind of straight nonsense that I got that you can see here. Use this free AI, use this free AI robot and make $2,500 a week. $720 today, $87 today, no website, no problem. Use free AI robots, get paid really quick, free traffic software, $300 a day, this AI robot, and you can see it goes on and on and on. So then I went to Google and I just asked Google to give me a free AI writer. After getting past all of the ads, I found this article over at Medium. And it is the 12 best AI writers, but there was a concentrated 6 best free AI content generator tools in 2023. I don't think this was actually written, obviously, in 2023 because this is 2022 as I shoot this video. And also, this doesn't include OpenAI or ChatGPT, which I'm going to cover towards the end of this video because it's relatively new. We started off here with Rytr, RYTR, an all-in-one AI content writer. First thing you need to understand is free means you have limitations. This is strikingly powerful yet unbelievably affordable. Generate 10K characters per month on the free plan. Understand that this is an actual free plan that allows you to use it and then scale or upgrade as you scale. You can see the plans here. You simply just create an account and then you get access to the use cases that you see here. I'm going to be talking about email. You can see here there are tons of use cases for you as a content creator. As an affiliate marketer creating content, you become a content creator. So we're going to leave this on email because I'm going to show you actually the output of what Rytr can do. But I wanted to go back to that article and I wanted to look at these. And I scroll down because this article gives you the pros and the cons. It is a cool article on Medium. I would suggest that you go through this and follow along with the stuff that I'm doing because the only way you're going to know if this works for you is to actually use it. So number 2 was ContentBot, an advanced AI writer. Now this one sort of falls in the realm of you get what you pay for, or don't waste a lot of time trying to do things for free to test them out. Because simply when you go here and you try to get a free account, you can actually see here right now that their hourly limit for free accounts, which they only give 10 free accounts per hour. So I would have to sit here and spend my time to try to get a free account, or I would just pay $29 for the chance to get started because it is $29 a month is their starter plan. So technically ContentBot AI is free, but I couldn't get an account for it. So I moved on to OpenAI and ChatGPT, optimizing language models. You can see here that they are excited to introduce ChatGPT to get users' feedback and learn about its strengths and weaknesses during the research preview. You can access ChatGPT for free and try it out. There are some limitations if you log into this or if you go to openai.com and you try to get access to it. Since a lot of people have started to use it, they have been limiting the log on and they've been fighting some bot issues. Again, this is late 2022 as I'm shooting this video just for a point of reference. But once you get inside, this is what it looks like. And basically you have the power or the ability here. It gives you the power to chat with the AI and ask the AI questions and feed it information to get the result that you're hopefully looking for. Now, let's do that and find the result we're looking for. In this case, we're talking about email, and the way I'm going to show you how to use this as an affiliate marketer or how to actually get started with AI as an affiliate marketer is go to ClickBank and simply look at the top offers and just walk through a scenario of I need to create an email or I need to create a series of emails for a product that I'm promoting. Here on ClickBank, we'll go with Expure. We'll go to their affiliate page. When you go to their affiliate page, you are going to see email swipes. So these are emails they have done for you. You could take these and just send them out to your audience, the audience that you build as you build an email list. as an affiliate marketer to follow up with them to get them to try to buy this product. But again, understand everyone's using these emails. So this is a powerful way to use AI, is to take the information, the research they've done for you, feed it to the AI, and let the AI come up with a spin, if you will, on this content. We're going to take this information right here from email number 2. You eat healthy all day, spinach, chicken, and broccoli. You're hungry and you're tired, but every morning your weight never changes. We are going to go ahead and copy that. We're going to take that back to Writer, because in Writer you need to feed it some key points, and we'll paste those in here and we will say write for me. Now this is going to take some time in the background for it to generate, for it to think, to actually write the subjects and the emails. Now you can see here it has created 2 emails. It came up with a subject, time to start a new diet, and then it wrote an email. The next subject, why you're not losing weight despite healthy eating. And here you can see that you can improve, you can rephrase, you can have it write a paragraph. There is even an option here to create an AI image, but in this case, we're just going to stick with what it can do. So for example, let's say improve. If you click on improve, what this will do, it will go back. Uh-oh, no output. Looks like you beat the AI this time. Try changing the text or generating again. So everything that you wanted to do, for example, improve or rephrase, sometimes it just can't do that. Now this may be because I have too much highlighted, but you can see here that it actually just disappeared on me. So at this point, we'll go ahead and try this again. Time to start a new diet. And you can see now the correct grammar and improve the readability of the text. I've highlighted that, but it's not actually doing anything. So this is part of getting started with AI. Each tool is going to be different. Each tool is going to require you to spend time learning how that tool and how that interface for that AI works, much less take the output of the AI and make it usable or put it in your voice or make sure that what it is saying is correct, because it may actually spit out nonsense. With that from Writer, let's go over to ChatGPT and compare what we're looking at. So in ChatGPT, it's a little different. So we're going to start with ChatGPT and have it come up with some email subject lines. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy that same information. And ChatGPT is designed, or they want it to be, where you have the ability to have a conversation with the OpenAI and have it give you information. So you can say something like this. So in this case, I'm going to say, write me 3 email subject lines and use the following information to get creative. You eat healthy all day, spinach, chicken, and broccoli. You try all diets. You're hungry, you're tired, but every morning your weight never changes. And then you feed this information to the AI. OpenAI in this case, or ChatGPT, is then going to take that information and it's going to come back with 3 email subject lines. Is your healthy diet not working? Try this instead. Sick of trying fad diets? Here's a proven solution. Say goodbye to frustration with your weight. Try this instead. Then you continue your chat with ChatGPT and OpenAI, and you can say, go ahead and write me an email around subject number 3, and you simply say go or click the arrow, and you are going to continue your conversation. And this is actually the best AI that I've worked with, in the idea of you are having a conversation with it. So you start with a starting point of, hey, give me 3 subject lines. Now give me more in depth, or go further in depth and write an email, because this is sort of my thought process. Or write an email and then come up with a subject line. Whichever way you normally do it, you have a better, or I have a better feel for what I'm doing here, because I can sort of work through a process, and you can see that this is actually writing the email. Again, I like to always say, don't shortcut the shortcuts. Let it write the email and then read the email. Make sure the email makes sense. You are going to have to put your editing hat on and edit this email. Make sure that it matches the tone. Make sure it matches your voice. Make sure that the details in the email are correct, they're factual, that they represent you or your brand the way that you want to be represented. Now you'll see here that wrote that email. If you were to go back to Writer, you can see here, this is what Writer wrote versus what OpenAI over at ChatGPT wrote. You take those two and you compare, but you can also see that what you have to choose here are use cases inside of Writer, and you are limited with the number of words that you can write inside of Writer under the free account. But you can also select the tone here Understand that inside of ChatGPT, you can also do that. And there's a try again button. And right now, with this idea of getting started, ChatGPT is free as they're in their research phase. Understand there are limitations and make sure that you read those. You can click here and you can go to updates and facts. And one of the things you should definitely do is go to the ChatGPT FAQ. Read through this FAQ, understand what it is they're giving you for free, understanding what you can do with it, and understand that you're going to have to take the time, just like the time you spent watching this video, to understand that there are free AI tools, but you got to cut through the BS that's out there, especially the stuff that you're watching on YouTube about how quick, easy, and you're going to do it for free and let the robot do all the work. It's just not true. It ain't going to work that way. You are a content creator. As an affiliate marketer, you have to create content to deliver your message to help solve a problem for the people that have that problem. So they'll click through your link, you'll earn a commission, and they get a solution to their problem. That's the first video in what I think is going to be a series. If you're interested, let me know in the comments about more ways to use AI as an affiliate marketer, and I will continue to make more content on this subject as I dig deeper in and show you some free options and also show you some of the paid options out there and ways you can use those as well. If it was helpful, give it a thumbs up, this video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.